Akiheana uira wake hindi ya gikaro kia uthuthuria wa muingi igoti-ini ria Nyeri, muthuthuria munene wa meri wa thirikari Johansen Oduor augite gavana wa Home Gakuru niari na nguraru itiganite mwiri-ini wake iria ciatumire ure thakame muno, undu uria wacungiriirie gikuo giake.
On the head there was hematoma of the skull on the front part. There was bleeding in the brain left side and the brain weighed 1400 grams.
Mutumia wa Gakuru Catherine Wahome ni areganite na riboti cia kwerekana hota gukorwo ni ahutanirie na gikuo gia Gakuru ona thengia wao gukorwo na ithingithia kihiko-ini kiao kuma mwaka wa 2013.
You've been charged with murder contrary to section 203 as read with section 204 of the penal code.
Ihinda-ini o riu Sarah Wairimu uria niwe mutumia wa mutigaire Top Cohen uria werega kuonekana oragitwo ni areganite na thitango cia kwerekana niwe woragire muthuriwe.
We did explain why we had not attached the statement.
Wakiri wa Sarah Philip Murgor ni ahetwo rutha rwa guthii na mbere na kumurugamirira na ni ikitie ihoya kuri igoti ria kuria Sarah arekererio na mbiru.
I find that his representation of the accused person in this case does not raise a conflict of interest on his part, since his resignation as public prosecutor is effective from the time the letter of resignation dated 7th of March 2019 was received and acknowledged by the OTPP. I make orders accordingly.
Came to court, the High Court, we applied for revision, all this kept going. And in total, today as we sit here, they have had 37 days.
Peter Karanja uria no mwikwiru cira-ini uyu onake ni akinyite igoti-ini na guthii na mbere na guikara rumande njera-ini ya industrial area guku Nairobi. Grifotra Inoro TV jitagwo Gathoni Wajihia.
The court stamp reads 2nd of October.